show you how to display your Shopkins. So let's get started. So if you're wondering where is this this little shelf came from, you cannot buy it. It's my dad built it for me. So I don't know if your dad or your mom can make this, but my dad made this shelf for my Shopkins. And as you can see, there's little spots on them. If you have Shopkins and you have the little list, then we use it in order. So we're missing the one, so we know we're missing the one that we don't have. So that's why there's little spaces that doesn't fill up like all the way squished in. So that's why there's little hole in them. And yeah. And I have 98 Shopkins. And you can see that I have like blue shopping baskets. These are some of my Shopkins duplicate. These are the ones that I already have. So, well, I still have more than these, but that's all I could fit in the little shelf, the Shopkins shelf. So first start with the first shelf. So let's start with the first Shopkin. First we have Apple Blossom, then we have Brock and Brock, then we have Strawberry Kiss, next then we have Pineapple Crush, next we have Melanie Pips, next is Miss Mishy Moo, next is Posh Pear, next is Rockin' Brock, next is Strawberry Kiss, next is Pineapple Crush, next is Melanie Pips. That is all for the fruit and veg. Now we're gonna move on to the pantry. Tommy Ketchup, Nutty Butter, Peppy Pepper, Sally Shakes, Sugar Lump, Bricky Crunch, Alpha Soup, Grand Jam, Coolio, Nutty Butter, Peppy Pepper, Alpha Soup, Coolio. That is all for the pantry. Now we're gonna move on to the bakery. Breadhead, Creamy Bun Bun, Cheesecake, Mini Muffin, Flutter Cake, Breadhead, Creamy Bun Bun, Cheesecake, Flutter Cake. That's all for the bakery. And now we're gonna move on to the sweet treats. Bubbles, Cheeky Chocolate, Mandy Candy, Jelly Bee, Miss Twist, Cheeky Chocolate, Lollipoppins, Jelly Bee, and Miss Twist. That is all for the sweet treats. Now we're gonna move on for the dairy. First we have Cheesy, Swiss Miss, Spelt Milk, Gertie, Millie Shake, Flavor Ava, Googie, Swiss Miss, Spelt Milk, Gertie, Millie Shake, Googie. That's all for the dairy. Now we're gonna move on to the party food. Crispy chip, pretzel, wobbles, rainbow bite, wishes, Frankfurter, Little Sipper, Furry Crumbs, Cheesy Bee, Soda Pop, Crispy Chip, Pretzel, Wobbles, Rainbow Bite, Wishes, Frankfurter, Little Sipper, Fairy Crumbs, and Cheesy Bee. This one is Soda Pop. And that is all for the party food. Now we're gonna move to health and beauty. First we have scrubs. Next is Lippy Lips, Curly, Shampy, Suds, Tooths, Scrubs, Curly, Shampy, Silky, Chappily. And that's all for the health and beauty. Now we're gonna move to the frozen ones. Ice Cream Dream, Yoshi, Snow Crush, Peasy, Freezy Peasy. And those two are from the small market. Those two are from the bakery, I think. Those are from the Root and Branch. And those two are from the medium cart. Some of them are my dupe plate. So that is my whole shopping shelf to how to organize it. This is how I organize my Shopkins with doing it in order from the list. And then now we know which one we are missing in the middle. So we can look back at our list and see who are we missing. So we know who are we missing. And that's all for today. So bye-bye. Thanks for watching. And also please subscribe to my channel, Big Moon 2010 and Big Moon 02. And also please check